Alright, let's get real about the Flixi TV stick. You've probably seen those flashy ads promising to turn your old TV into a smart powerhouse. No more monthly bills, access thousands of channels, and all that jazz. But is Flixi the miracle device it claims to be, or just another shady cash grab? Here's what I found. First, yes, the Flixi stick is a legit piece of hardware. Plug it in, and it can stream free, ad-supported content just like a Roku or Fire TV stick. But here's the catch. It does not give you free Netflix, Disney Plus, or any paid channels. If you see ads saying it eliminates subscriptions, that's a red flag. Let's talk user experience. Independent reviews on Trustpilot are brutal. Tons of buyers report being charged for multiple sticks when they ordered one, or finding surprise add-ons on their bank statements. And if you need a refund, get ready to ship it back to Lithuania, at your own expense. That's if you even get a response. Hardware quality? Honestly, it's sketchy. Many users say their stick arrived broken, missing remotes, or even without a power plug. The so-called 8K support is a joke. This thing barely handles 4K without lag, and it's running on just 1 GB of RAM. So what's really going on? Flixi is basically a generic Android streaming stick you can buy wholesale for way less. The AI-powered hype is just marketing buzz. For the same price, or less, you could grab a reliable Fire TV stick or Roku, with local support and straightforward returns. Bottom line, the Flixi stick might work for basic streaming, but with all the shady marketing, billing issues, and questionable quality, it's a risky buy.